let's get to it. Let's get it all back together. I'm the clutch master, oil on my sleeves, that's standard. Rain in my face, I'm laughing. Jack it up, quick wheels off, no stalling. Gearbox dropping, hands in the dark, still locked in. Cold wind cutting through the overalls. I don't quit till the problem's gone. I'm the clutch master, no one's better than me. In the rain, in the mud, I just fix with your brain. Get to it, let's get it all back together. You break down, I make it run forever. Clutch master, no one's better than me. From the floor to the flywheel, all eyes on me. Get to it, let's get it all back together. You rolling broken, drive out better. Milwaukee tool man, light up the bay. Trigger in my hand, rust give way. Spanners, hammer, rat in the tray. Sockets in line like soldiers obey. Rain in the roof, I'm under the frame. Grease on the ground,
what's going on, everyone? How are you all doing? Right, I'm back. Finally, I've had a lovely break. Yeah, I've had about 6 weeks off of social media and all that crap. I'm a couple of weeks abroad and I'm back fresh. Yeah, it's getting a bit too much. It's a bit all consuming. But yeah, I'm revitalised. I'm trying to change stuff up a little bit if I can, but we'll see. Yeah, things as well, with a lot of the videos through winter, I was just getting pissed off because all you can hear in the background is that bloody heater roaring and it's just making all the audio shit. All you can hear is that massive humming. Obviously when it's freezing cold, I need it because it's cold, but yeah, just every video, and I've got loads of more videos that I had, but every time I was playing them I just think, mate, it just sounds terrible, just humming like mad. So at least we've got a good, what are we on now? It's a little, what are we on, May? Yeah, we've got a long time until you hear that noise again, so it's all good. But yeah, I'm back on it. Right, so what I'm doing, I'm not going to record this one because I've done loads of them. It's just a Vivaro, just an easy piece of piss one, so I ain't going to bother recording that. But I've got a little Nissan note to do afterwards, so I'll record that because I don't know how many of them I've got on there, but with the Vivaros now I've got loads. But yeah, man, had a lovely break and now I'm all back. But check this out, right? So this one, a normal one, the pedal goes to the floor, yeah, just standard. Don't know what goes on with these garages, mate. This is what gives us mechanics, you know, honest ones that don't take the piss with prices, a bad name, you know, because this thing here, it's 2007 Vivaro, right? The garage quoted her. She said, how much for a clutch for that, please? He went, oh, if you keep £2,000 aside, yeah, that'll do it. That'll be enough to do the clutch. £2,000. The van's worth 1,800 quid. It's unnecessarily expensive, isn't it? What? It's just, I don't get it. I'll do this in 2 hours. I said, well, I should put my prices up. She's like, don't do that yet, will you? I said, no. Mate, I'll charge a fraction of that. I mean, like, sometimes I do think I'm too cheap, but with me, where I do them quick, I ain't ripping people off. You know what I mean? I just won't do that. You know, if the job's a long job, then obviously the labour's got to go up a bit, but not not to that extent. It's a piss sake, you know what I mean? I'll give someone a quote, it's a couple of months ago. It was only a Golf, and my labour rate, I'll do it in price, yeah. So it's just price. So if it takes me 2 hours or 10 hours, I don't charge the customer no more. That's just the way I do it, because if I've given a price, it's a price. I don't think I should charge them more because I'm struggling to do something, you know what I mean? But I heard this geezer, so I've done him a quote, mate. It's just my normal quote. I've never had anyone complain about it. It's just Golf, clutch and flywheel, and I think it come in, say for instance, between 900 and £1,000, which is reasonable. Yeah, it's not expensive. You go to a garage, it'll be a lot more. I think, yeah, was it that? I'm trying to think, it was a while back. It wasn't a lot. It weren't like stupidly expensive. I think the clutch I quoted him like, I think the clutch alone was like 580 fitted, and then the flow, whatever the flow of the module kit is, if you've got to do that, because obviously some flywheels are expensive depending what you can get, you know what I mean? Mate, I've never had someone kick off texting me, you're a rip-off merchant, I bet you rip grannies off, you're taking the piss, your prices. I said, what do you take? I said, go to a garage, get a price from them and see what they come back with, you know what I mean? Mate, this geezer was off his fucking head. He's going to give me the worst review in the world for a quote, not done the fucking work. It's a quote. Insane, mate. But yeah, then he goes, you know where I live, come round, we'll have a fight, and it's all this. I thought, mate, I'll come round and what are you talking about? Come round and have a fight over a quote. What an absolute moron. But he's telling me I must be robbing all the grannies and doing. I'm like, what are you talking about? I said, mate, I'll give you a quote. If you're not happy with a quote, you're not happy with a quote. Go somewhere else. That's what a quote is. Mate, this camera's getting hot already. And once I've got to take this little side compartment off. Oh, what have I done there? Right, I've changed the coloration. What's gone there? Why's it gone dark? Oh, there you are. Right, let me get this little. Sorry, let me get this little access door off. Ah, come on, get off. That's it. Sorry about that. I'll take these off because these GoPros are shit. I'm going to get that new. I think it's DJI 6, the new one that's come out. So I'm going to get that one soon. I can't believe how warm this has got already. It's been on 5 minutes, not even. But anyway, enough of that bollocks. But yeah, that's what you've got to deal with. So yeah, someone wanted to fight me because they weren't happy with their quote. I'm like, mate, when I call up anything that needs doing, I'll call round. You know, you get sort of gist of prices. You call round, you think, oh bloody, that's a bit dear, that one. Let me try a few others. And you look at the reviews, and you go, yeah, reasonably priced, decent reviews. I'll go with you. I'll ring some geezer up and he tells me it's fucking 10 grand to fit a radiator. I'm not going to go to him, am I? You know what I mean? That's why you call around and get quotes. Oh, just don't get people, mate. They just talk absolute nonsense. Yeah, end up having a massive screaming match on the phone because they weren't happy with my quote. I think my quote's quite reasonable, to be fair. End of the day, your car's broke outside your house. It's an hour and a half drive there, an hour and a half back. I've got to put something on that for my time and my diesel. Do you know what I mean? It's a 3-hour round trip, bloody miles away. And it's just, oh, I don't know. Anyway, I'll stop going on about that. He's a fucking idiot, but anyway. But yeah, I'm back. I'm fresh. I've got a lovely suntan. And I've come back to a heat wave as well, which is even better. So yeah, it's perfect, mate. But I will quickly bang this one out. It'll take long with it, hour and a half, 2 hours max. My first job in 2 weeks, so I've got to get used to laying on the floor and rather lay next to a pulp, drinking all bloody day long for 10 days. Jesus. But yeah, mate. Right. I'll see you soon. Let's get to it.
Who you call when it slips? Me. Who you call when it grinds? Me. When the bike point gone and the revs just climb, you know who's on time. That's me. In the rain, in the cold, in the late night weather, I'm the one bringing all your gears back together. I'm the one bringing all gears back together. I'm the clutch lost. No one's